at least speak.
So
ब्रो क्या करे, आज रिकॉर्डिंग करना है क्या?
ब्रो पता नहीं ब्रो, पर
ब्लू को माल लाना पड़ेगा ब्रो। ब्लू माल
भाई
लाएगा तो
मारेंगे
रिकॉर्ड
ना।
करेंगे।
हाँ
ब्रो बोला तो था लाएगा करके।
लाएगा ब्रो, आ रहा होगा। कोई आया ब्रो? ब्लू
ब्रो पासवर्ड बोल।
तेरी माँ की चू।
आजा 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 आजा।
ब्लू है, ब्लू है, ब्लू है।
ब्रो खुश कर दे
वेलकम ब्रो। खुश कर, खुश 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 कर।
ब्रो क्या बताऊँ, अब 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स चाहिए थे स्कोर उठाने के लिए, मिले तो खाली 100, इसलिए खाली एक जॉइंट ही ला पाए, वो चारों मिलके खींचना पड़ेगा टैक्सी करके।
ब्रो बम मारेंगे ना।
बम मारेंगे
बम
bro।
मारेंगे।
ठीक है ब्रो, सॉर्टेड।
Peace,
चलो
peace, peace.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू टॉक एंड टॉक, आवर वीकली पॉडकास्ट।
मोस्टली वीकली अभी तक
So,
तो
डिपेंड्स हाँ कितना
जब
मान
मर्जी
लेता है।
पॉडकास्ट ब्रो।
So this is your host Aryan Sharma
Yeah.
with Vivekanand Jha, Anmol Jha and our guest MC Blue. So homies, what's the scene? We are talking about cultures.
And
Anyone
getting
has
high.
some points? And getting high, वो तो अपना टैगलाइन है।
ब्रो मेरे को लगता है ये नशा चीज है ना, ये बहुत पुराना है ब्रो, स्टार्टिंग से ही था इंसान के पास।
ब्रो
कुछ
मुझे
ना
तो
कुछ लेके
लगता है
तो-
इंसान इंसान बना नशे के बाद।
हाँ ब्रो आग। पता है वो द मोमेंट दे डिस्कवर्ड फायर दे वुड हैव लिट अ जॉइंट विद इट।
हाँ
दे वुड हैव बीन लाइक भाई अब समझ में आया ये चीज का महत्व क्या है।
ब्रो सोच ब्रो, क्योंकि अपने ये जो झाड़ वाड़ है, जो अपने नशे वाले झाड़ होते हैं, वो जल्दी से जल जाते हैं।
हाँ।
तो इंसान उधर ही सबसे पहले जलाया होगा क्या?
शायद ब्रो इंसान के पास जब आग मिला सब कुछ जला रहे थे, ठीक है। अब वो देखे कि भाई डीएमटी का बुश जलाएंगे या गांजा का बुश जलाएंगे तो
Bro,
ज्यादा मजा आएगा।
मेरे को क्या लगता है ना, तो एक पॉसिबल थियोरी हो सकता है कि डीएमटी के बुश के पास एक फॉरेस्ट फायर लग गया होगा और जितने भी सेपियंस थे हमारे इनहेल्ड इट, और उसके बाद ही अपना कॉग्निटिव रेवोल्यूशन भी शुरू हो चुका होगा।
Dude, this is a very high thing.
Possibility.
वेरी हाई पॉसिबल।
हो सकता है, हो तो कुछ भी सकता है।
ब्रो इसी की वजह से दे लाइक फिगर्ड आउट एन अल्टरनेटिव रियलिटी ऑल टुगेदर, और फिर अपने आप
Then they
को
started to write fiction.
हाँ तो देयर वाज अ शेफर्ड,
Yeah.
वो अपना बकरा और गाय चरा रहा था।
बकरा और गाय
तो
101.
क्या हुआ, वो बकरा और गाय को एक बुश मिला और वो लोग वो चबा लिए और उसके बाद दे वर अवेक फॉर द होल नाइट। तो फिर ये बंदा खुद ट्राई किया वो बुश और देखा कि अरे भाई इससे तो मेरे को भी नींद नहीं आता है। एंड पीपल वर लाइक डैम दिस इज कॉफी, दिस इज कूल।
Oh fuck, so this is the coffee story.
या दिस इज द कॉफी स्टोरी।
Oh fuck man, this is good. I think so something like this happened to marijuana also. For the first time when people start to smoke pot, वो यही किए होंगे ना, they just found something, गलती से they inhaled that thing. They were like, oh fuck dude, this makes me feel different. This makes me feel alive.
दिस मेक्स मी फील हैप्पी।
Yes, we have to
Bro,
do this
I
again.
have this thing, bro. I'm not sure marijuana was first inhaled. I believe marijuana was first
eaten?
ingested. Yes. I believe ingestion came before inhalation, because there are records of marijuana farms near everywhere near where the proto-human originated.
And also in Mexico, there's this trend among some people where they use sativa leaves as fuel for cooking stuff.
Bro,
तो-
but
ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूइंग ऑन द कॉफी स्टोरी, अभी देख कल्चर अपना इतना चेंज हो गया है कि फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टाइम डिस्कवरिंग कि कॉफ़ी खाने से अवेक रहता है टू प्रोड्यूसिंग इट इनसाइड एन एनिमल। अभी एक एनिमल आता है हुज पूप इज यूज्ड एज कॉफी,
Yeah.
यू नो।
Yeah.
तो
guanco. It's called guanco, but it's not. Its poop is being used as coffee seeds. There is a thing that this animal digests coffee in a way that it imparts more flavor to it. So when it chews up coffee and then when it shits it out,
yeah.
it's much more flavorful apparently.
एंड
Okay, so
But I'm never trying that.
yes, I'm never trying that too.
ब्रो
Or what if we have already tried it?
No, we have.
No,
we
have
It's
too
बहुत
expensive.
महंगा आता है.
Expensive?
हाँ.
It's too
और
expensive.
मोर ओवर ब्रो
Sponsorship, please.
और मोर ओवर
गुआनको ट्राई करना है अनमोल को. 30 पिएगा.
और
Yes.
मोर ओवर एनिमल को भी बहुत डेंजरसली हार्म करता है ब्रो। अपेरेंटली वो एनिमल अब एक्सटिंक्ट हो गया,
हाँ,
मोस्टली
the
एक्सटिंक्ट होने
Malayan
वाला है।
civet.
मतलब
It's called the Malayan civet.
सिवेट, या
It's endangered. It's not
Fuck.
extinct.
It's
It's endangered.
critically endangered.
Critically endangered.
Bro, so
It was
do you
critically
guys
endangered in
think I have a
2010 when I read
question? I have a
about it.
question right here. Do you guys think culture like literally expands our unending wants or unending desires.
See, culture and science have always been hand in hand.
Yes.
And when science advances, we get solutions to already existing problems and we create new problems, which we also want to find solutions to. So it's an unending cycle.
तो क्या होता है ना, ह्यूमन अकेला नहीं जी सकता है, तो ह्यूमन बींग्स देखते हैं कि अपन 4-5 जने एक साथ रहेंगे तो लाइफ विल बी इजियर, सो देन दे स्टार्ट लिविंग टुगेदर एंड देन दे प्रोड्यूस मोर, numbers increase, problems increase, and then in order to find the solution, science is used. That's how it develops, and that's how cultures develop. That's how it all develops.
Intoxication and culture have always been a thing.
Yeah.
So in the Roman times, I don't know the name of the drink, but a psychedelic drink was used in almost every festival. And a lot of religious texts in the Roman religious texts, so not any existing religion,
Yes.
have been derived from psychedelic trips that those Romans went through.
Yeah.
And burning bushes and stuff has been a part of almost every religion.
अभी हम लोग भी वो करते तो यज्ञ या हवन करते तो उसमें डालते ना बुश,
हाँ bro.
याद है बुश डालते, लकड़ी डालते.
हमें गांजा डालने चाहिए उसमें ब्रो.
और भंड हो जाएगा.
फन
Bro.
नहीं होगा. You will be one with the God then.
ब्रो और एक और क्वेश्चन है मेरा, एक और क्वेश्चन है, दिस इज डिस्कशन टाइप,
Yes.
तो सब लोग अपने पॉइंट्स दे सकते हैं.
Okay.
तो हाउ फार डू यू गाइस थिंक द कल्चर हैज प्लेड रोल इन सप्रेसिंग वुमेन?
Oh, very much.
See, the culture has also it's played a very big role in suppressing women, but it has also played a very big role in getting them uplifting them.
So it's, see, cultures, I think जब भी एक group बनता है ना, everyone gets exploited in different ways.
Yes.
So it's not like in a culture only the women are getting
Yes,
exploited.
even the men are getting
Yeah,
exploited.
देखो एक पेट्रियार्कल सिस्टम में जहाँ पे एक औरत शादी करके अपना इन-लॉज का घर में जाके रहते हैं, like it apparently it might look like only the woman is being exploited, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. The man is also getting exploited, क्योंकि उसको देख साला खुद का पेट भराने में गांड फट जाती है.
उसको और
तो-
4 लोग का भराना
और 4 लोगों का
and
भराना
people
है.
expect him to do it.
If he doesn't do it, then he's not man enough. So I think patriarchy is fucking up both the genders.
Yes.
And
Equally, I guess.
See, but the reason patriarchy exists, and my point is very debatable, but so the thing is, reproduction is the pregnancy period for a woman is a very vulnerable period
Yes.
for almost every species, not only for humans. And we have a pretty long gestation period, and after that also, when a woman is expected to take care of a child, which is a wrong expectation, even the man should take equal care of the child, but normally amongst all mammal species the female is expected to take care of the child, and so that's a very long period of dependency.
Yeah.
And so they depend on the community and the people around them to help them in this time of vulnerability.
So-
But culture shapes vulnerability in such a way that the vulnerable people don't get a voice of their own because they're considered helpless, which they shouldn't be considered.
yeah, because see, that woman is vulnerable at that point because of the society, because she's adding to the society. She's helping the society. So in an ideal condition, the society should help her and be empathetic towards her. But we are not most of the times. That's the thing. Like, a lot of offices give maternity leaves and people have a problem with that. I'm like, क्यों भाई, वो जो बच्चा पैदा कर रही है वो तो is going to be a part of the society.
Society, yeah, it's adding on to the beneficiary factor of the
And
society.
another problem is culture में क्या है ना, initially when there were less humans on this earth, I understand producing babies was important. लेकिन अभी अपना world is overpopulated.
Already
हाँ,
overpopulation.
तो now we should stop producing children really, like at least reduce the number of children we are producing. तो
Use condoms, motherfuckers.
या तो ये एक्सपेक्टेशन कि अगर तुम औरत हो तो तुम्हें बच्चा पैदा ही करना है, तुम्हें शादी करना ही है और तुम्हें माँ बनना ही है, ये गलत एक्सपेक्टेशन है अभी एटलीस्ट.
ये एक्सपेक्टेशन फिर मेल से भी हटना चाहिए ना.
हाँ, male से भी हटना
If you're a male, तो तुमको किसी को संभालना है. You'll have to like take care
लेकिन
of
ब्रो
people
तू
or
देखेगा
something.
तो लड़का लोगों का फिर भी फ्रीडम है. तू अगर शादी नहीं
हाँ,
करेगा तो
हाँ,
फिर भी चिल है.
हाँ.
लेकिन तू अगर औरत होकर शादी नहीं करेगा ना तो लोग ऐसा बोलेगा कि तू अपना
Yes,
पेरेंट्स के लिए बोझ है.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
bro.
और जबकि वो बोझ होते भी नहीं,
हाँ,
इन अ वे दे वुड बी हेल्पिंग आउट देयर पेरेंट्स इन
Yeah.
फैक्ट, क्योंकि काम करके दे आर टेकिंग आफ्टर देयर पेरेंट्स आफ्टर ऑल, तो बोझ होते भी नहीं है फिर भी पुश करते हैं कि नहीं तू बोझ है करके.
To give them a guilt feeling so that they can be exploited more. And their parents also play a role in this
या
unknowingly.
ब्रो, हाँ.
So moving aside from the point, I wanted
Yes.
to talk about how today's culture is way more individualistic than cultures throughout the ages. Today, because of extreme connectivity, I am connected through the entire world through my phone, and it's just basically staring at myself all the time.
Yes.
So all the cultural practices that I take part in, or all the cultural obligations that I have, are through this phone or through the laptop or through the internet, and it's not with my community, with people who are around me. It's like I live in groups of 3, 4. I don't live with a group of 50. Also,
So I
the
think
pandemic
it's-
isn't
yeah.
helping, but throughout the ages, culture has been like a town had its own culture so distinct from another town.
Another town. So वही ना, basically it's not like एक community का एक culture है, वैसा नहीं. It's becoming more globalized. कि
Yeah,
पूरे
now
one
everything is
global culture.
globalized.
But it's not one global culture also. No, it's so many sub pockets. I don't know what the global culture is. The media that is supposed to represent the culture is haywire. It's so haywire.
ब्रो मैं इधर तेरे को रोकना चाहता हूँ. आई गेस इट्स स्टिल द सेम. देख,
It's still the same,
Same.
but we all know about a lot of cultures now.
Yeah,
it's like
the
easier
medium
to.
has changed.
We are
the
more
medium has changed.
empathetic. We are more
Yes.
emotionally intelligent.
Yes.
So that's why we don't get offended when we see someone doing something differently from us.
differently from
That's-
us. और moreover culture exists, and culture का main purpose क्या था? So that it could bond more people
Yeah.
But now, since we are in the age of information, we have everything on our fingertips. Only the medium has changed. We are still connected to the people, right?
Yes.
तू देख सकता है वो
Okay,
क्या
so-
कर रहे हैं
so,
वो.
so I would like to ask you this question: कि what does culture stand for in 2020? Why is culture important in 2020?
Bro,
for example, you told me कि पहले culture was there क्योंकि it could unite people together, bond people together, make big societies bond together. But why is culture important now? in
See,
2020?
Again,
Culture-
to bond people, to bond you with a person.
But now
in
we
England.
already are bonded, right?
कल्चर का डेफिनेशन एक्चुअली बदला नहीं है. पहले कल्चर जैसा था अभी भी वैसा ही है. बस पहले इट वाज मच मोर, क्या बताऊं, स्टैग्नेंट.
Stagnant and present in more physical forms.
या लाइक अगर तू सपोज तू बिहार में रहने वाला है.
हाँ.
तू एक बार वहाँ पैदा हो गया तो तेरे को वहाँ के लोग जैसे रहते हैं तेरे को वैसा ही रहना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
लेकिन अभी कल्चर फ्लेक्सिबल हो गया है. तू बिहार में एक कल्चर फॉलो करेगा, बैंगलोर में आके दूसरा फॉलो करेगा, दिल्ली में जाके
तीसरा
वहाँ
कर-
तीसरा
हाँ.
follow
The
करेगा.
spread of Christianity is a very good pointer in this. So Christianity started out in Jerusalem,
Yes.
which is in the Middle East,
Yes.
and it took ages. It took 500 years to reach the corners of Europe.
Okay.
And so by the time it reached there, it was so drastically different than what it was originally that
Okay.
it split into 3. There was Orthodox Christianity, which was followed all around the Balkans, Greece, and Russia. There was Protestant Christianity, which was a large part of Europe, Germany, Sweden, Scandinavia, and there was Catholicism, which was all throughout Western Europe. And these cultures, this religion also absorbed the culture of these areas. Christianity was a pagan festival to celebrate a lot of things that happened at
Bro,
that.
हाँ ब्रो, वैसे ही
Adding
होता है.
on
देख,
to that-
इंडिया में भी जो क्रिश्चियनिटी है, इट्स सो इंडियन.
It's so
Like,
Indian.
have you heard the Christmas carols that my Christian friends, bro, when they sing Christmas carols, I'm like, bro, ये तो पूरा भजन जैसे ही लगे. You know,
See, वही तो है ना. So every culture plays a very big role in the religion also.
Bro, adding on to that, basically I guess cultural is nothing but manifestation of human intelligence.
So I wanted to talk about dead religions and how they've impacted culture today. So the best example that we have of dead religions impacting culture is the Norse religion. So nobody knew about Thor, Odin and stuff before the Marvel movies took over.
Yes.
And now they're a big cultural phenomena. Thor is a bigger hero than he ever was throughout history, and he was a Scandinavian god. And also taking into account Greek religions, so it's Hellenism is a dead religion. Almost nobody practices it today. But the impacts Hellenistic ideas have given to the world, we have cities named after Hellenic gods. We have
We have Percy Jackson.
We have Percy Jackson.
Ah.
We have
We have Rick
books,
Riordan.
movies. We have books and movies based on Hellenistic religions. We got the idea of democracy from Hellenism.
Yes.
Sort of. So
And now Hellenism doesn't exist.
It's a dead religion.
Why? Because they were not with the culture or what?
the thing is basically
Christianity
depends
too.
upon the flexibility of the culture. तेरे को क्यों लगता है कि हिंदुइज्म इतने सालों से प्रोग्रेस करते आ रहे हैं? ठीक है, अभी हम लोग 4 इधर बैठे हैं, मैं थर्सडे को अंडा नहीं खाता है, नॉनवेज नहीं खाता, तू ट्यूसडे को नहीं खाता, तू मंडे को नहीं खाता. इट बेसिकली कि तेरे को
मैं
क्या,
7 दिन खाता है.
तू 7 दिन खाता है, तो बेसिक देख चारों सेम रिलीजन फॉलो करते हैं पर अपने अपने तरीके से फ्लेक्सिबली मोड लिए हैं रिलीजन को.
देख, हिंदुइज्म तो वैसे रिलीजन भी नहीं है. हिंदुइज्म इज ऑल द religions inside this
See,
subcontinent.
Hinduism is first of all, देख मैं तो नास्तिक हूँ, लेकिन I like studying about religions. तो मेरे को एक theory पता चला है, I read it somewhere, I heard it somewhere कि there's the word Hindu does not exist in the Purans or the Vedas or whatever literature that we have. Our religion was Sanatan Dharma,
Oh yes.
which
Yes.
is a way of life. It's a philosophy, and Sanatan Dharma ka primary philosophy is that you don't have to think about whether God exists or not. You do good, good will happen to you. If you do bad, bad will happen to you.
More of a
Karma.
karmic.
yeah.
Like
और ये
even-
हिंदू नाम शिंदू से आया है.
हाँ.
When people from Afghanistan they came to India and they could not pronounce Shindu, they started calling us Hindu, and अभी
See,
देख क्या हो
even
रहा
the
है.
name of India wasn't Hindustan ever. It is a outside given name.
Yes.
Yeah.
ठीक है, so the name
In fact, the
Hindu.
concept of India was only not there before
हाँ,
the
हाँ,
Britishers
because
came.
अपने को अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए नाम क्यों चाहिए?
क्यों चाहिए? हमें तो सिर्फ रहना था और वो भी हारमोनी में रहना था.
हाँ.
एंड सो होता क्या है कि देख, कल्चर इज एवर इवॉल्विंग फिनोमिना, क्योंकि जैसे ही प्रॉब्लम बढ़ेंगे तो कल्चर ऑब्वियसली मॉडिफाई होगा. एंड इफ नाउ द प्रॉब्लम एग्जिस्ट विद रिलीजन इज, अगर वो लोग इतने फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है कि अपने आप को किसी भी शेप में ढाल सके, तो दैट इज अ मेजर पॉइंट कि वो लोग लाइक वो रिलीजन क्यों एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाता
Like it's
है.
like water. Water can exist as ice, but if it becomes ice, it becomes very hard to put it somewhere.
Put it somewhere.
But if it's in a liquid form, you put it in any container, it will take the shape of the container.
that content.
See, again coming to a point on Christianity, Protestant Christianity works so well with the modern age because America adopted Protestant Christianity and then they shaped global culture. So their culture is at its root very Protestant in nature. It is not atheistic, it is more Protestant. They believe in one God and then they don't care about it anymore. And then they start living their own life. They know God exists, but they live their own
Bro,
life.
but then that has a lot of problems too.
Bro,
Like,
there are problems in everything.
everything. So मैं उधर का क्या है ना, so they have basically two things, like they do not directly believe in evolution. Along with evolution, they also teach creationism.
Yeah,
But-
actually they are against any like Islam, Christianity, and Jews. They are actually against Darwin's theory of evolution.
Evolution.
They believe in creation.
उन्हें लगता है कि सब कुछ इवॉल्व नहीं होता है. There is a master
Bro,
creator.
ये जाकिर नायक है ना, उसका वीडियोस देखना साला, क्या बोला था. He was like,
See, this was bought again. This came from Plato's idea of the perfect world. He believed that there should exist a perfect world where there is a perfect cat that is a prototype for all cats. There is a perfect bottle which is a prototype for all bottles. There is a perfect man who is the prototype for all men. But a lot of Eastern religions kind of coincide with Darwinism. I'm not sure, but like Hinduism has an amazing example, amazing parable that can be a
Yeah, bro.
contemporary
so
to
even
evolution.
see, I was studying this, so I figured out very interesting thing. I don't know if this comparison is apt or not. See, if you take different forms of Vishnu, ठीक है, that represent how humans evolved. देख रहा है. So first he was in turtle form. Then
First fish.
First fish. So life started from underwater. That's how it is believed.
Yeah.
उसके बाद वो टर्टल लिया जो कि जमीन पे और पानी पे दोनों रह सकता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद
Vara, which is a complete animal.
कंप्लीट एनिमल. तो उधर
Then
रेप्टिलिक,
हाँ, then-
रेप्टिलिक, नरसिम्हा, ह्यूमन और
half human, half animal. And then Vamana, which is a short-statured human.
humans.
Then
Pygmy
Parashurama.
shrews, yeah.
Then Rama.
Rama
And then
is
Krishna. And then the cosmic god Buddha, if you believe Buddha as a
Yeah.
another
yeah.
reincarnation. So our religion is, देख रहे कितना फ्लेक्सिबल है और सिंबल्स कितने यूज किए जा रहे हैं.
Okay, but not to beat the drum of any religion, let's move away from this point.
yes.
ए ब्रो ब्लू पास करना ब्रो.
माल किसके पास है?
ब्रो अगला स्कोर के लिए सब्सक्राइबर मांग रहा है ब्रो.
रुमाल तो खत्म हो गया, डीलर बोलता है कि 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स का 10 ग्राम देगा.
अरे भाई
चल
ए तुम
भाई.
लोग करो यार कुछ सब्सक्राइब
अगला
वब्सक्राइब
स्कोर
करो.
पे अगला पॉडकास्ट.
ब्रो
चलो
हाँ
अगला
चलो
score पे
अरेंज
मिलेंगे.
करते हैं. चलो
चलो ब्रो इट्स डन. फक इट ब्रो.